So on this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from the uninvested money that you left on your Trading212 account. So if you have Trading212 account, you need to watch this video because it will help you to earn interest from the money that you have not invested in shares or ETF. So that is one thing that I just want to show you on this video. Just keep on watching. Let me take it out of my smartphone and show you step by step how you can make money from this strategy. One thing again I want you to know, I want you to do is that you should use the link in the description if you want to join Trading212 so that you will get a fraction of share. So it's free. Just use the link in the description to create an account so that you can get a fraction share from me. So I am earning money, you are earning money. So just win-win between the both of us. So if you like, it's not just compulsory. Let me take it out of my smartphone. So now that we have my smartphone, first thing you have to do, like I said, you need to create your account. If you have not created your account, come to Google Play Store and search for Trading212. Trading212, and it's going to pop up. Is this one here at the bottom here, Trading212 stock and Forex. Click on that and it's going to open up. What you have to do is to install it. And if you scroll down here, you will see that they have 156k review and they have 10 million plus download, and this is how their application look like. In case you are downloading it on Google Play Store, don't make mistake to download fake ones. So there's a lot of fake apps right now, so just be careful when you are downloading the application. So what I need to do now is to log into my own account. I will log in now, click on open. So once your account open, what you have to do here now is to click on this three dot icon. And once you click on this three dot icon, you need to click on earn interest on cash. So once you click on earn interest on cash, normally it will ask you to enable this method so that you'll be able to start earning money from your uninvested cash. But one thing I want you to understand here, before you enable this, you have to do research to see if Trading212 is one of the applications you want to really invest your money into. Don't just do it because I'm saying it. Do your own proper research before you take action, because this video is just for educational purpose. It's just to show you that this type of thing is possible and you can do it, but you need to understand it before you do it and do your own research before you take any step into this, like making money from your uninvested cash on Trading212 app. Once it opens, you can see on my uninvested cash that I have on my own account is 18 euros and 88 cents. The money that I have earned, lifetime earning, is 24 cents. And last month I earned 9 cents. So it's not a lot of money I have earned from this my almost 20 euros. It's just to tell you that this is possible for those of you who is saving money in local bank. This is a way that you can use to make good amount of money at the end of the year. So when you leave your money on this application, which is called Trading212, and you enable this method of earning interest from your uninvested cash, you are going to make good amount of money. Imagine that you leave like 20,000 euros in this application and you leave it in euro, you are going to be earning 4.20% earning in return for you to just leave your money on this program. You didn't invest this money. It's the money that you have not invested. It's just sitting in your wallet. Is the money you are planning to invest, but you have not invested it. You are going to be making interest from it every single day. Every single day. 4% if it's in euros, and in US dollar, you can see in US dollar is 5.10%, and in pounds is 5.20%, in Canada currency, which is 3.50%. So it keeps on going and so on and so on and so on. You'll find a lot of currencies here. So it just to show you that you can make money from your uninvested money that you left on your Trading212 wallet. So one thing that I want you to understand again, like I said before, is that the minimum amount you can leave on your account here is 20,000 euro. Anything above that, let me just say, it's not protected by this company. I just want you to understand. Don't go and leave like 100,000 euros on this application, and if you lose your money, this is not something good. So just be careful when you are like leaving your money in all these online platform, because you don't even know the person. What is important before you use any one of all these platform, The first thing is you need to look at the person that owns the platform and look the vision of the person. Is this person going to go bankrupt? Is this person is a man that is afraid? Is a company that is afraid? So you need to know all those things before you invest in them, because leaving your money with somebody means that you trust the person. So even if you are making money out of it, you need to make sure you trust the person and you believe that before the person will take any step, he will let his investors or his user know that I am closing my this thing, take your money before this time to this time. So it's very, very important. I want you to understand too, this is not the money that you invested, this is the money that you have not invested. That is how you earn interest from this method. So if you have invested your money, you cannot earn interest from it. You can only earn interest from that company that you invested your money on. So that is one thing that I want you to understand here. And if you come down here, they have FAQ in case you have any question you want to ask. All you just need to do is to like go and learn about this company. It's very, very important for you to look through all those things, because this is what is going to give you confidence for you to be able to have that confidence of investing in this program. So if I click on which account type are eligible for interest, so once I click on it, you can see all accounts are eligible for interest. There is nothing that can hold you back if you have deposit your money into this platform. As long as you enable them to use this method on that your uninvested cash, you can make money from it. So one thing that I want you to know is that you are the one that have to enable this for them to be able to be giving you this interest every single month. So you have to give them the permission to use this money, and every single day you can be getting interest. And one thing that is still good is that you can withdraw your money anytime. Let us say you deposited 5,000 euros this week, and next week you can decide to withdraw the money or take the money out. You can decide even tomorrow, you can deposit the money today, tomorrow you decide to cash the money out, you can withdraw the money out. There is nothing like a lockup period. So this is flexible investment. I will call it flexible investment. There is nothing like a lockup period. You can withdraw your money anytime you want to withdraw your money. So that is one thing that I want you to understand here. If you want them to be sending you notification about your interest that you are getting every single day, you can just come here and look for that particular area, click on it, and they are going to be sending you that particular notification every single day. If you don't want them to pay you interest, you can come here, you can say yes, stop interest payment, and they are going to stop it, and the interest will be going into their own account. Or you can just close it and tell them that you don't want them to be investing this your money again. So what they are doing is that they are loaning this your money out in a flexible way, which means every single day people can take this money and pay it back. So that is what they are doing, and they are making money from this. That is why they are paying you for you to just use this method too. So that is everything I want to talk about here, how you can earn money from your uninvested cash in this application, which is called Trading212. I will say thank you very much, and I will see you on my next video, a way on how you can make money online. Only what I will ask from you here is to just hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you on my next upcoming video. Thank you.